Hello, my name is Christina Garcia.
In this video, I will be demonstrating how light affects your image quality with our FHV7 camera.
The FHV7 is a smart camera, part of our machine vision family, and it features the world's first multicolor light and high-res image sensors in an all-in-one solution.
This is one of Omron's smart camera product lines with onboard processing. It is a complete vision solution that offers unlimited combinations of lensing and lighting to adjust to any application. The FHV7 camera features an IP67 waterproof housing and connectors, which allows it to be used in harsh environments. The autofocus lens helps accommodate product size variations as the focus range is easily adjusted by software parameters, thus eliminating mechanical operation for product changeover. Here is our setup. The FHV7 smart camera, a connection to a power amplifier, a power I/O cable, an Ethernet communication cable, and a computer running our FH series vision software FZ Panda. We will be analyzing the colored stripes on these coffee pods. In machine vision, contrast between the test subject and the background is critical. Applying the correct lighting will enhance contrast. Before we start, keep a couple questions in mind like, what features do I want to emphasize? What features do I want to minimize? This will help narrow down what kind of lens and lights should be used to obtain an image highlighting the desired features. Our FHV7 camera features multicolor lights built right into the camera. Our light choices are red, green, blue, and even IR. Let's say we have an application where these coffee pods are going down an assembly line and we want to verify the correct coffee pods are being packaged together. We will be able to differentiate the coffee pods using color. The correct selection of lights for the application is based on the concept of the color wheel. For features that you want to darken, you would want opposite color lighting. For features that you want to brighten, you would want like color lighting. Using our software, FZ Panda, I will demonstrate the effect of different lighting options. Initially, I am inspecting the red striped coffee pod. I have the light set on red, which is a like color. You can see that the stripe looks very light compared to the rest of the areas of the coffee pod. The reason why the red stripe is so bright compared to the rest of the design is because of how light travels. Every color has its own unique wavelength, and depending on what color is shined on an object, it will either absorb or reflect light. In the black portion of the coffee pod, the light is absorbed and no light is reflected back to the sensor, thus registering that area as a darker area. In the white areas of the coffee pod, the light is 100% reflected back and the sensor registers that area as a very light area. With the red stripe, some of the light is absorbed, however most of the light is reflected back to the image sensor, which then registers it as a lighter color, but not as light as the white areas. Using a green or blue light, which are opposite colors to the red coffee pod, the stripe darkens and becomes indistinguishable from the rest of the design. You would be unable to tell the difference between the red and brown coffee pods. Illuminating the coffee pod with a white light is another option. However, it does not create the desired contrast as seen with the red light. Knowing how light is absorbed and reflected in different ambient colors is important because it will create higher contrast images in the right color. Higher contrast images are required for precise machine vision inspections.
That concludes this quick tip video on how different lighting affects image quality. For more information on the FHV7, please visit our website at automation.omron.com, where you can find data sheets, manuals, and videos, or you can look us up on YouTube under Omron Automation Americas. Thank you.